Isang magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Wednesday po ngayon, January 26, 2022 at welcome po sa isa na namang edisyon ng The Stock Market Today. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Benji Chodoro. Ako po ay isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007 and I do this report every day na sinimulan ko po noong August ng 2020. I also report the latest news on your favorite and most active stocks. If you like the content, iniimbitahan ko po kayo mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gustong ipa-review, please comment on the comment box at aking pa-prioritize. Ang ating financial news ay tungkol sa ABS CBN. Kasama po ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, January 26, 2022, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Okay, so let's start with our financial headlines. At ito po ay galing sa BDO Securities. Sa ating general and macro news, sabi ni AMRO, Philippine GDP growth outlook at 4.9% and 6.2% respectively for the full year 21 forecast and 22 forecast. Central Bank to keep close eye on risks to inflation. Then S&P sees 5 to 7% credit growth for Philippine banks. DOE or Department of Energy seeks bidders for 2,000 megawatt renewable energy supply. Then Dito targets to increase subscribers to 12 million this year. However, our main news is on ABS CBN from Rappler. Manny Villar gets ABS CBN frequencies. The National Telecommunications Commission allows Manny Villar's advanced media broadcasting system to air over Channel 2 and Channel 16. Alam niyo itong Advanced Media Broadcasting System, acronym niya is ABS. Hindi niyo ba napansin? Advanced Broadcasting System. Ang ibig pong sabihin ng ABS-CBN ay Alto Broadcasting System at Chronicle Broadcasting Network. Yun pong ibig sabihin ng ABS-CBN. Ito, Advanced Broadcasting System, acronym ng ABS. Billionaire Manny Villar is taking over ABS-CBN frequencies almost 2 years after the Lopez-led media giant was forced to go off the air. The National Telecommunications Commission confirmed on Tuesday night, January 25, that Villar's Advanced Media Broadcasting System has been awarded provisional authority to operate Channel 16, which was ABS-CBN's digital TV frequency. The NTC also issued AMBS a temporary permit for simulcast purposes over the analog Channel 2 effective January 6 until the analog shut off in 2023. The temporary assignment was granted to ensure service to both analog and digital TV signal users as the country transitions to full digital TV, said the Commission. The NTC said it sought the legal opinion of the Department of Justice and the concurrence of the Office of the Executive Secretary. Villar's daughter-in-law, Emeline Aglipay Villar, is a Justice Undersecretary. Emeline's husband is former Public Works Secretary Mark Villar, who is part of the Duterte cabinet but resigned to run for senator in the 2022 elections. AMBS, according to the Commission, was the first applicant for an authority to install, operate, and maintain a digital TV in Metro Manila, with its application filed over 15 years ago, or October 5, 2006. Okay, so that's our news for the day. And let's now go to the comments. tingnan po natin kung anong comments po nila. At sabi po ni Anime TV, pwede pong pa-review ng RCR, sir? Okay po. Sama po natin. Sabi ni Baby Cake, Sir Benji, ask ko lang kung bibili kayo ng C-REIT. Thank you po and God bless. Alam niyo po, hindi po ako financial advisor first and foremost. Pero kung ang tanong nyo ay kung bibili ako ng C-REIT, personal ko pong decision, yes, bibili ko po yan. But of course, nasa sa inyo po yan, ano? You decide for yourself kung gusto nyo bumili, do your research. Ngayon, noong January 20, I had a special segment on C-REIT. And let me put up ito po, no? Galing po ng Business World po ito. So, pwede nyo pong balikan yung January 20. But may I just read a piece? Ito naman galing po ng CNN, ano? January 19 naman po ito. Ang sabi niya dito, Citicorp Energy REIT secures PSE nod for February maiden offering. So, basically, ang mangyayari po niyan ay sa C-REIT ang first energy-focused REIT in the country. And ang office size po niya is 1.07 billion shares as the IPO and as secondary shares ay 1.72 billion shares. Ang presyo po niya ay maybe up to 3.15 or 3 pesos 15 centavos per share. Ito po yung indicative price. And the offer period will run from February 2 to 8, 2022. Now, knowing that ang purpose po ng C-REIT is to ito po ay lupa, ano? Kasi yung C-REIT gagamitin po yan for renewable energy. Yung mga lupa na kukunin nila will be used for renewable energy. And the income that you will get out of operating the C-REIT for renewable energy and the income from the land to be used for renewable energy, babalik po yan. 90% as mandated by law will be as cash dividends. So, kung ako po ang tatanungin ninyo, yes, I will buy. But of course, I am not a financial advisor. Do your own research and decide for yourself kung kayo po ay bibili. Alam po ninyo, lahat ng REITs binili ko po. Actually, starting from Ayala REIT, then DDMPR, RCR, MREIT, meron po ako sa aking portfolio niyan for long term. Kasi ako po ay naniniwala na ang REIT ay pang long term dahil nagbibigay po yan ng cash dividends. Especially so na itong Citicorp Energy REIT, sustainable energy kasi is the way of the future. Kaya dun po ako naniniwala. Again, I am not a financial advisor. Kung ako po tatanungin, personal ko po ito, bibilin ko po yan. Pero do your own research and decide for yourself if you will buy the REIT or not. Okay po? Thank you po. So, yan po ang aking take for the Citicorp Energy REIT. And now, let's go to the Philippine Stock Exchange and the Philippine Stock Exchange Index on how it performed today. Okay. Let's put up our indicators. The Philippine Stock Exchange lost 34.6 points, 0.47% down to finish at 7253.61. But just the same, our candlesticks are still above our indicators, indicating that there is still a bullish trend. RSI is somewhat at the middle at 51.81. Yung ating market summary, 78 companies advanced, 102 declined, while 60 remained unchanged. The all-share index also ended in the red, 0.22% down, almost flat lang to. Slightly lower than our PSEI. However, yung ating financials, holding companies, industrials, properties, and services were down. Only mining was up 1.11%. So yung losers was led by the financials at 0.01%. So let's now go to the most active. Re-reviewin po natin si RCR, SPNEC, FCG. Uy, maganda ito BDO, Ali, and TEL. So we'll be reviewing 6 stocks plus your request. And then now let's go to RCR. It had a red candlestick today, and there was selling volume. Although yung mga indicators po natin are still under the candlestick, indicating a bullish movement. Ngayon po, yung ating support ay nakikita ko po sa areang to. Ito po, nasa 8.16. Yung pinaka-support after, kasi nagko-consolidate po siya dito Dito po, ito po yung January 12, nagkaroon ng sort of a breakout. Although it is not a breakout, I would say it's just a solid long green candlestick, but the real support is here. Ito yung resistance po na naging support, at yung current resistance nandito po sa area to, nandito po sa 874. So support is 816, resistance is 874. Yun po, doon po naglalaro ang RCR. But my general assessment is that the stock continues to move higher. The stock is still bullish. Yung ating RSI is bullish at 61. And yung ating medium-term indicator, yung 50-day EMA, is well under the candlestick. Tapos, tignan naman natin si SPNEC. Yan. So, patuloy siyang tumataas and it gained 2.48% now. So it's already 107% up from its original IPO price of 1 peso, and it continues to move higher. The current support, I see it here at 160 based on 4 candlesticks. But tingnan natin ang susunod na kabanata. Yung RSI po is 86, overbought. And until we see the DMI, which I couldn't make out, tingnan natin kung meron ng DMI. Wala pa rin, in general, ay bullish trend pa rin po si SPNEC, as our indicators, yung EMA 20, yung short-term indicator, yun lang po nag-appear, which is under the candlestick. And then FCG, what happened to FCG today? Mukhang nag-rebound. Wow! Ito mo yan, nag-rebound siya. And it opened at 79 and ended at 92. 14 centavos up. That's a 17.95% increase. Tingnan natin yung 15-minute chart. Yan. Okay, so bullish yung kanyang trend and it continues to move up. Nag-consolidate po siya between 10 o'clock and 11. That after that, it moved higher with above average volume. Tapos consolidate for 30 minutes. Tapos continue to move up at 12 o'clock until its closing time at 1 p.m. So bullish trend po siya based on a 15-minute chart, but based on a daily chart, I still cannot make out anything out of it. Okay, so in general, based on the faster chart, it's bullish. After SPNEC, or after FCG rather, is BDO. May magandang balita kaya si BDO? I think it's red. Naku, nagkaroon ng red candlestick dito, and it's touching the area of the EMA 50, which is currently our support. Yung EMA 50 po natin nasa 125.40. Nasa 124.60, a bit lower, but it's still within the support area. Yung ating resistance nandito po sa 129.30 to 129.40 rather. Yung RSI niya is a bit bearish, nasa 46.59. So in general, it is moving general sideways movement for BDO, with the current support nasa EMA 50 po at 124.40 or 125.40. Okay, then Ali, Ali in general is moving sideways dahil piercing through the candlestick ang ating mga indicators, and it has been moving that way since December 6 and up to now, kasi up and down lang po siya. Kung gusto po natin malaman, yung resistance po nasa 36.25, yung support po nandito po sa area to, nasa 33.77. Now when I talk of support and resistance, these are not exact points, but these are areas. RSI is a bit bearish at 43.85. So dyan lang po naglalaro si Ali, and you may try to play the buy on support, sell on resistance. Ano po? Some traders do that. And compute nyo lang po kung kikita po kayo dito sa 33, bili kayo sa 33.70, sell kayo sa 36.25. Ano? So compute nyo lang kung feasible po yan. And then after Ali, si TEL naman, mukhang red candlestick din to. Yes, it went down for 46 pesos, pero it's just within, actually our support is EMA 50, no? Pero it's still above the support but below our EMA 20. So yung ating pinaka-resistance nandito po sa 1897. And yung pinaka-support natin, let's take EMA 50 as our support, no? 1794. And in general, ang movement po ng stock ay pataas pa. So siguro, what we can do is instead of a horizontal line, let's draw a parallel channel for PLDT which will follow. So pinaka-support po niya is the EMA 20 or EMA 50 rather at 1794 or 1795, and pinaka-resistance po niya is 1984 based on a parallel channel. And my prognosis or my assessment of the stock is that it is still bullish. Okay, yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ika-26 ng Enero 2022. Ito po si Benji Chidoro, nagpapaalala, mag-ingat sa COVID, mag-ingat sa scam. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay. Hanggang sa muli, stay safe, God bless, and bye for now.